Do you know why some people get rich while others always struggle with money? It all comes down to understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Today, we will talk about these two important words and how they affect your money. By the end, you will know how to grow your wealth smartly. So let's start with a simple story. Imagine two friends, Sarah and Mike. Sarah buys things that make her money, like rental houses or stocks. Mike spends money on things that lose value, like expensive cars and clothes. Even though both earn the same salary, Sarah is getting richer and Mike is staying the same, or even losing money. This shows why knowing the difference between assets and liabilities is very important. So, what exactly is an asset? An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. For example, a rental property that gives monthly rent is an asset. Stocks or bonds that pay dividends are also assets. Do you have any assets like these? If not, don't worry. We will help you understand how to get started. Now, let's talk about liabilities. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. For example, a car loan or credit card debt are liabilities. Even monthly bills like utilities or subscriptions can be liabilities if they cost more than you earn. Can you think of any liabilities you have right now? Knowing this helps you manage your money better. Most people don't realize that some liabilities can feel like assets, but are actually harmful. For example, a big house may look like an asset, but if it costs a lot in mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, it might be a liability. That's why it's important to look beyond the price tag. Ask yourself, does this thing bring money in or take money out? This simple question can change your whole money game. Let's look at some common examples of assets. Savings accounts, stocks, bonds, rental properties, and businesses are classic assets. They all help your money grow over time. But what about liabilities? Things like credit card debt, car loans, student loans, and even unpaid bills are liabilities. Can you guess which side most people focus on? Most people focus on buying liabilities thinking they are assets. For example, buying a new car feels exciting and shows success. But cars lose value quickly and cost money every month for insurance and repairs. So, even if you think it's an asset, it's actually a liability. Have you ever bought something expensive that didn't help you make money? Now, let's talk about how assets help you build wealth. When you have assets, they can earn money for you every month. For example, rental income from a property adds to your savings. Stocks can pay dividends and increase in value over time. Isn't it better to have money work for you instead of only working for money? One big mistake people make is confusing wants with needs. They buy things they want, thinking it will make them happy or successful. But wants often turn into liabilities that drain money fast. Needs are things that help you live and work, like a reliable phone or food. So, ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it or just want it? Let's explore how debt affects your finances. Not all debt is bad, but most people borrow to buy liabilities. Credit card debt, payday loans, and car loans usually cost high interest. This means you pay much more than the original price. Have you checked how much interest you pay on your debts? Good debt, on the other hand, is when you borrow to buy assets. For example, a mortgage for a rental property is good debt. You use someone else's money to buy an asset that makes you income. This can grow your wealth faster if done wisely. Would you like to learn how to use debt smartly? Building assets requires patience and discipline. It won't happen overnight, but small, consistent steps matter a lot. Start by saving a part of your income every month. Then, invest in simple assets like mutual funds or low-cost stocks. Have you started saving or investing yet? One key to building wealth is to avoid lifestyle inflation. This means don't increase your spending every time your income grows. Instead, keep your expenses stable and save the extra money. Many people forget this and end up buying liabilities with their raises. How do you control your spending when you get more money? Another smart way to build assets is to start a side hustle. Side hustles can bring extra money that you can invest. It can be anything you enjoy or have skills in, like freelancing, tutoring, or selling crafts online. This extra income can speed up your journey to financial freedom. Have you thought about what side hustle suits you best? Sometimes people feel confused about what to buy first, assets or liabilities. The answer is simple. Always choose assets first. Focus on building a strong asset base before buying luxury items. This builds financial security and peace of mind. What will be your first asset purchase? Many people think they need a lot of money to start buying assets, but that's not true. You can begin with small investments like fractional shares or micro-investing apps. Even saving a few dollars regularly builds up over time. What small step will you take today to start your asset journey? Let's talk about how you can track your assets and liabilities. It's important to know exactly what you own and owe. A simple way is to write down your assets like bank balance, investments, and valuables. Then, List your liabilities like loans, credit card debt, and bills. This helps you see your true financial health. It's normal to feel overwhelmed when learning about money, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small and keep learning every day. Use online resources, books, or podcasts to improve your financial knowledge. What's one new thing you learned about money recently? Sometimes people get stuck thinking money is scary or complicated, but money is just a tool you can control. The more you learn, the more confident you become. Imagine being free from money stress and living the life you want. What would you do if money was not a worry? Many experts suggest making a financial plan to reach your goals. A plan helps you stay focused and measure progress. Start by setting clear goals like buying a house, retiring early, or paying off debt. Then, break these goals into smaller steps. Do you have a financial plan yet? Remember, your mindset about money is powerful. If you believe you can grow your wealth, you are more likely to take smart actions. Positive thinking motivates you to save and invest regularly. It also helps you handle setbacks without giving up. How do you stay positive about your money goals? It's important to review your finances regularly. Check your assets and liabilities every month or quarter. This helps you spot problems early and celebrate progress. Adjust your plan if needed to stay on track. When was the last time you reviewed your money situation? Sometimes having a mentor or coach helps a lot. They guide you and keep you accountable. They can share tips and lessons from their experience. You don't have to figure everything alone. Have you considered finding someone to support your financial journey? Finally, always remember why you want to build assets and avoid liabilities. It's not just about money, but about freedom and security. When you own more assets, you have choices and peace of mind. Your money works for you, not the other way around. Ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We will share more tips on growing your money and building a better financial future. In the next video, we'll talk about simple ways to start investing with little money. Don't miss it. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with one small step today. Keep learning, saving, and investing wisely. Avoid liabilities that drain your money and focus on assets that grow your wealth. Stay patient and disciplined. Success takes time. We're here to help you every step of the way. Remember, building wealth isn't about quick fixes. It's about steady habits and smart choices. Focus on buying assets that bring money in, not liabilities that take money out. Keep learning about money every day. It makes a big difference. Ready to start your journey today? If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy finance tips. Next time, we will explore simple investment strategies for beginners. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.